What's up, guys? First things first, for our Chevy truck, we have to remove this ignition and replace it so we have a key and can actually unlock our wheels, unlock our steering wheel, and move the car. So to get to that, first we have to take off the steering wheel. First things first, pop off the horn cover. Inside of here there is a nut lock that you can remove with the screwdriver or pliers, and then the actual steering wheel nut that we'll remove.
Next, we're going to get this clip out, use this guy to spread it, pop it off. Next, you take the nut off. It is 21 millimeter. Use your thing, put it on. And that was really easy.
Now use a steering wheel puller to pull out the steering wheel. There you go. Next, we are going to try to remove the steering wheel lock plate. There's a Phillips inside of here.
To remove and reinstall the lock plate, you'll definitely want to pick up the special tool from the auto parts store. It will save you a lot of time.
Now, to get the lock retaining screw, we're going to remove these 3 Phillips screws to pull out the turn signal assembly. You also need to remove a Phillips from the hazard switch. So this comes out with a T15 hex screw, or Torx, T15 Torx. You'll need to remove this first. Lock cylinder slides right out. Yep.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out DIYauto.com for more DIYs and build threads. Or join the community and show off your own ride. Thanks for watching.